My Delhi Journal. 5 a.m. Morning starts. As the first light of dawn breaks through the curtains, I awaken to the gentle chirping of birds outside my window. It's 5 a.m., my favorite time of the day. The house is still and peaceful, offering a moment of solitude before the hustle and bustle begins. I stretch my limbs, feeling grateful for another day of life, and silently thank the universe for its blessings. First, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I make a cup of coffee and sit quietly. I enjoy this quiet time before everyone wakes up. 6 a.m. Walk outside. At 6 a.m., I put on my shoes and go for a walk. It is still a bit dark outside, but I like this time because it is not busy. I walk for 1 hour and listen to the birds. It feels good to move my body. 7 a.m. Make breakfast. When I come back home, I start making breakfast for everyone. I make eggs, bread, and more coffee. Slowly, my son, his wife, and my grandchild wake up and join me. We sit together and eat. We talk and laugh. It makes me happy to see everyone. 8 a.m. Help around the house. After breakfast, I help clean up. Then I do some other house jobs like washing clothes and tidying up. My daughter-in-law goes to work and my son does his work from home. I sometimes help him by keeping the house quiet. 10 a.m. English class. I have English class at 10 a.m. I go to a class with other adults who are also learning English. I like my class because I meet friends and my teacher is nice. We learn new words and practice talking. I try hard to learn because I want to speak better. 12 p.m. Lunch. After class, I go home and make lunch for me and my son. We eat together and talk about our morning. I tell him about my class. 2 p.m. Free time. In the afternoon, I have free time. Sometimes I read a book, watch TV, or call a friend. I also like to play with my grandchild. We draw, play games, or go to the park if the weather is nice. 5 p.m. Make dinner. In the evening, I start to make dinner. My daughter-in-law comes back from work and we cook together. It is fun to cook and talk with her. We make a big dinner for everyone. 6:30 p.m. Dinner time. At 6:30 p.m. we gather around the table for dinner and catch up on each other's lives. My grandchild regales us with tales from school, while my son and daughter-in-law update me on their latest projects. We share food and stories. Despite the hectic pace of modern life, These moments of connection remind me of what truly matters. 8 p.m. Relax. After everything is clean, I relax. Sometimes I watch a TV show or talk with my family. I enjoy this quiet time in the evening. 9 p.m. Bedtime. As the clock strikes 9, I bid the rest of the household good night and make my way upstairs to bed. I go to the bathroom again and change into my pajamas. After a soothing cup of herbal tea, I sometimes read a little in bed. Then I turn off the light and slip between the sheets, feeling grateful for another day spent in the company of those I love. With a sense of peace settling over me, I close my eyes and drift off into a restful sleep, ready to greet whatever tomorrow may bring.